Greetings, my V family all over the world. This is your gorgeous chief making his Wednesday message. Welcome to week 46. All right. Firstly, thank you for everyone who was on my Instagram live, which I do every Sunday, 8 p.m. Malaysian Standard Time. All right. And it's on my grid, so you can watch it. All right, guys. Firstly, welcome to week 46. It's been an unbelievable journey. And whenever I come to week 46, we got about 6 weeks more before the year ends, 2020. And I was talking to my unbelievable upline, the one and only Dato Sri Vijay Ishwaran. And he told me about the human behavior. And he clearly told me that the rest of the world right now, all over the world, guys, they are preparing to slow down, whether it's lockdown or not. Naturally, the last few weeks of the year, the human race, 95% of the human race goes into hibernation. Like they need to recharge before the new year starts. But we are networkers. We are entrepreneurs. We are warriors. So my first warning to you, alright, the year doesn't end. Your journey is not counted by months or years. Your journey is counted from the time you start with us in QNet and the V until you reach a point of financial freedom, maxing out 1, 2, 3 tracking centers consistently, and then you celebrate every day. Then we don't need a calendar to tell us when to relax or when to hibernate or celebrate. Our lives are dictated by a mission that you decided to start. Like Mission Impossible, but this is Mission I Am Possible. And this journey requires you to be consistent, like a fanatic, like a maniac, that you do not slow down until the goal is achieved. So while the 95% of society is planning how to slow down end of the year, you have 6 weeks left in the year 2020. Now these 6 weeks must be defined by you. That these 6 weeks, your income, your BVs, your weekly commission checks, if you want it to, can surpass the total of the last 46 weeks. That's a decision you have to make. So while the rest of the world slows down, while the rest of the world gets distracted by the so-called celebration of the year coming to an end, you must wake up. You must rise. You must recognize the fact that you have 6 weeks to achieve your goal for 2020. You have 6 weeks to have a paradigm shift, to wake your network up, to raise the level of passion, commitment, activity, and simply rise. These 6 weeks, guys. And Dato Sri Vijay told me these 6 weeks will define you, Padman. That you must be the benchmark for the rest of the world. So I made a decision that these 6 weeks I'm going to push myself harder than I've ever pushed myself before. And I want you to do the same thing. Because this is your life, your max out, your family, your dreams that are going to be defined by 6 weeks. So wake your network up. Don't allow them to slow down. And the best way to wake them up, like this phone call right now, is for you to wake up. Because monkey see, monkey do. Your behavior starting today watching this Wednesday message is going to define the behavior of your network. Your activity, the number of presentations you do, your focus on your TAT. This is fundamentally important. And just a few hours ago, I was talking to AVP Nasib's organization, all right? And I was talking about Ferraris, guys. And we all have this dream of owning a Ferrari, the sports car. But I'm telling you this story in a different way. Now, what is QNet? QNet is simply the Ferrari of network marketing. Don't be fooled. There is no better company. There is no higher commission payout, better selection of products, and better founders than Dato Sri Vijay and Japa. You have the perfect Ferrari. You have an engine that is built to reach top speeds. All right? And you are the driver. Now, the first thing you need to do is you don't have to understand perfectly how the Ferrari works. You just have to decide how you're going to drive this Ferrari. And my message to you on this Wednesday message is that you are the driver of your destiny. On this journey, you are the guy behind the wheels, guys. So first you sit down in that seat, all right, and make that decision that you're going to drive. You are the driver. of your dreams. You are the driver of how fast you reach max out. Don't blame the traffic. Don't blame the traffic lights. Don't blame the police. Alright? Don't blame anyone. You are the driver. It is your car. And you're starting your journey right now to reach an ultimate destination, which is 1,000 kilometers, 2,000 kilometers. Doesn't matter. You got to drive. And you got to understand that driving this car doesn't mean you have driven 10 Ferraris before. You have to sit in this car with full confidence that you are ready to take that steering wheel and step on that accelerator and drive. Now be safe, be smart. Don't knock everyone on your way to your destination. Alright? Drive. Drive from your heart. Drive with passion. And remember that the faster you drive, the more careful you have to be. But doesn't mean you have to drive slow. So don't drive like a grandfather, alright, or a grandmother, like ting, 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 ting. You have a car that can go from 0 to 100 in 4 seconds. You have a car that can reach top speeds of 360 kilometers an hour. And don't sit down there like you're going on a Sunday stroll. Don't let a bicycle overtake you. You got to drive this car, guys. You are the driver. That destiny of max out is in your hands because you are holding the steering wheel, you're holding the brakes, your feet can be on the brake or the accelerator. Now when you step on that accelerator, be certain what you're doing and then step on it. Alright? You see an obstacle, go the other way. Don't stop your car. Get down, analyze the challenge, analyze the barrier, analyze the obstacle, and then drink coffee and look at it. Oh, how big is this challenge here? Should I continue driving? Should I stop? Oh my God, it's so big. I'm so scared. No! You see a challenge, there will always be a road on the side. A decision is to focus on the challenge or focus on the road on the side. So you're going full speed. You see a barrier in front of you. Alright, straight away there will be a road, I guarantee you. That road is decided by your mindset. That road is decided by your paradigm. And you just go on the right or the left and zoom. You pass that challenge. The morons will stop and analyze the challenge. You keep driving. And the minute your car goes there and passes that challenge, all your downlines who are all in their own Ferraris will follow. You stop, they stop. You analyze, they analyze. Monkey see, monkey do. Dato Sri Vijay has said this thousands of times. Right now you pass that challenge. Okay? And you keep driving. Don't be a moron to slow down and look back. Or look in the rear view mirror. Is everyone following me? Is the challenge very big? Oh my God, look at the challenge. It's so big. Oh my God. You're slowing down. If you take your eyes off the road, you naturally slow down. It's proven when you drive a fast car. Trust me. Your eyes focus on anything else, your leg naturally comes off the accelerator. Alright? And that accelerator, you put your leg down, focus on the road, moving forward. You see anything trying to stop your journey, your mind will create a road. Take that road, guys. Alright? Take that road and drive as fast as you can. But be careful. Don't knock 25 people on the way. Alright? Don't skid out of control and fall into the desert or the ocean or wherever. Stay focused and keep driving. Alright? Now this car runs on fuel and your fuel will run out. Because you're driving at full speed, the pistons are running, the engine is running at full speed, and slowly the fuel will go down. What is that fuel? That fuel is belief, that fuel is passion, that fuel is your dream, that fuel is your uplines inspiring you, your power of association. We connect zone, watching Dato Sri, Japa's videos, my videos, Wednesday message, whatever. That is the fuel. Now you don't have to stop at the petrol station and stop and say, okay, I'm stopping the car. Now I'm going to pay the money and put the fuel and wait and then sing a song, Kumbaya. No. This fuel is different. This fuel will automatically refill with your level of belief, your level of inspiration, your level of focus on your dream. And boom, you keep driving. You don't stop. That's the rule. You never stop. Because once you have started driving this Ferrari, guys, you don't stop. That's a decision we have to make together. Keep fueling up. Alright? Keep the power of association. Keep listening. and you will reach your destination. Now the $1,000,000 question, the max out question, all right, is how long will it take for you to reach the destination? All right, don't compare to any other Ferrari. This is your Ferrari. It's the same car every V partner drove. It's the identical car every AVP, every V council, every max out king, every max out queen. They all drove the same car. There is no difference in any car in any country with QNet. It is the same freaking Ferrari. Guys, you're driving. Don't complain. Oh, I think something wrong with my car. Oh, I think the tire. No. As long as there is a road, all right, or any kind of road, you drive. That's your mission. You have the best Ferrari in the world called QNet. You have the best fuel in the world called the V. You just have to drive. And the mistake everyone makes when you're driving a Ferrari, all right, you try to understand everything. No. Start the engine, make that decision, put your leg on the accelerator and step on it. All right? And don't ever stop. The biggest mistake you make is when you stop. When you stop and off that engine, you got to restart, warm up the engine, start everything again. And that's the mistake everyone makes. And remember, if there is an obstacle, there is a boulder, there is whatever, your mind can create a road. And if your mind is strong enough, there are many roads around the obstacle. And you just have to go and keep driving. Now, many of you today, you are washing the Ferrari, you are checking the tire pressure, you are tightening whatever nuts and screws, you are looking at the seat, you're on the radio listening, ten, 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 ten. You are doing everything except driving. Don't worry about the Ferrari. It's perfect. It's built by the greatest network marketing company in the world, QNet. Get in that seat and drive. That's your purpose. That's your role in reaching financial freedom. You are the driver of your destiny. You are the one who's going to decide how fast you reach the finish line of financial freedom. Stop analyzing the car. Stop washing the car. Just drive. We will take care of everything else. Now this is a very important message, because the next 6 weeks of 2020, your leg now is like that now. Vroom, 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 vroom. No. The next 6 weeks, put your foot down and drive. That's all I want to see. These 6 weeks, we will show the world what you can do. We will show the world the warriors Dato Sri Vijay has built. These 6 weeks, make it the greatest 6 weeks of your whole journey with QNet. Put your leg down on your accelerator and never take it off these 6 weeks, guys. You will reach that finish line. I promise you. I love you guys.